Storytelling and generative AI. What are we learning? It's Wednesday and Wednesday video time just in 60 seconds. A couple of months ago, we introduced a structured use of Gen AI in all our learning programs. The very first thing we learned from the data that we have for the last 2 months is that generative AI also gives you a very general output if you just simply prompt it in a very simple way. So the best use is when you do the storyboarding yourself, thinking the points, the messaging, because you know who the story is for. You have the experience in the space that you're talking about. You have great thinking. You need to feed it good thinking. Once you feed it good thinking, that's where the magic happens, which is the learning number 2, is that it's able to give very different voices to your thinking, which means it can turn it into a really wonderful video script. It turns it into a lovely blog article. It can turn it into a speech. So it creates that great output. The third thing we've learned, especially for the speeches part, is this. All of us have a very idiosyncratic way of speaking, which generative AI does not give in its output. It's very pattern-based, sort of you expect the next word to be what it is, and it removes that personal flavor. So when the output, especially for when speeches or dialogues comes in the story, we have to actually turn it into the voice of the real speaker to make sure it sounds like that person. Those are top 3 learnings for the last 2 months of use. We'll keep updating you with what else we are learning. I'll see you here next Wednesday with other story insights. Stay storied.